Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy M13. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here we'll need to start search for an app and enter Firefox. Now click on the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process will be completed, we'll be able to open our app. Now begin customizing it. So the first thing you see is to choose your theme. You can change it between light, dark and automatic. Also you can select your toolbar placement from bottom or top. Change always on privacy settings from strict to standard or from standard to strict. Sign up in order to synchronize Firefox between all the devices. Read this privacy notice and after that click on start browsing. Now the browser should work properly. You can also set it as default right there. Now let's open Wikipedia, and as you can see it works without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.